Hi, this is Marian from AdXperte, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create and install Facebook Pixel on your Nestuge store. If you sell any digital products at all on Nestuge, whether with Facebook ads, TikTok ads, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you how to install Facebook Pixel so you can be able to track your view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase. This Facebook Pixel will also enable your ads to be optimized for purchase, so that Facebook will show your ads to more and more people who are ready to buy your products, who can buy your products. Now, if you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more helpful videos on Facebook and Instagram ads. To create Facebook Pixel, the first step is to log into your ad account at www.facebook.com/adsmanager. If you are using phone, go to your Chrome and ensure that your Chrome is in desktop mode. That's the only way you can access your ads manager using this URL. When you are logged into your ad account, the next step is to come to this events manager. I'm already logged into my example ad account, so I'll come to this events manager and click it. It's going to take us to this interface where we click connect data and then select web, click next. So the next is to click create new dataset and then name your dataset. Once you are done naming it, you click next. That's all, your pixel is already created. So let's just give it a random name like Nestuge. Once I click create, it's going to create the pixel. I'm not going to be creating a new one because I have many pixel in this example ad account already. So I'm just going to use one of them and show you how to install on Nestuge. But if you are creating a new pixel, all you need to do is just write the name and click create. You are done. And when you come to this place, you're going to find your pixel, okay? Or you come to data sets and click this drop down to access all the pixel you have in the ad accounts, okay? So if I created that Nestuge pixel, it would have shown here. Because I have many pixel, I'm going to select any of them and use it to show you how to install pixel on your Nestuge store. So let's use this one that says natural data. Here is the pixel ID. I'm going to copy it and then log into my Nestuge store. So this is the example Nestuge store I created to show you how to install pixel on your Nestuge. So I'm just going to come to this settings part, click it, scroll down to integrations, click it. It's going to bring me here where we'll find Facebook Pixel and other features. You can see TikTok Pixel. In case it's TikTok Pixel you want to install, just come here and install it. For Facebook, we are just going to click this. Have you seen the events you are going to be able to track when you install your pixel on your Nestuge store? You are going to be able to track page views, add to cart events, initiate checkout events, purchase. All right, so just click configure Facebook Pixel and then paste the pixel ID here. Next is to paste our conversion API token. So let's go back to the ad account where I show you how to copy your conversion API token. Come to these settings. Scroll down to where you see conversion API. Have you seen conversion API? So I'm just going to scroll down a little more and then click generate access token. I'm going to click this drop down, deselect other pixel and only allow the pixel I created to be toggled on, and then I'll click generate access token. Okay, so when you generate access token, just copy the token and then come to your Nestuge store and paste the access token. Once you have pasted your conversion API access token, you click save changes. That's all you need to know about setting all your Facebook pixel and your conversion API on your Nestuge store. Once you are done, you can now start running your ads, and your ad will now be tracking all the event that is happening, and your sales ad will be optimized for purchase for better results. I'm sure you found this video helpful. Now rush straight to your ads manager, create your Facebook pixel, install it on your Nestuge store before you run your next sales advert. And if you don't know how to sell your products profitably with Facebook and Instagram ads, all you need to do is to rush straight to the comment section, enroll into our Facebook and Instagram ads course via the link in the comments. You're going to learn how to sell your products massively with Facebook and Instagram ads.